Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a vendor payment. Vendor payment vouchers are created when the money is paid to the vendor for the received goods or services. How to create a new vendor payment. To begin, head to Vendor Payments under the Purchase tab. Now click on New Payment. Enter the necessary details, including date, account, vendor name. Enter the required amount. Now, to save the payment, click on Save Changes. Your vendor payment voucher is now created. How to print the vendor payment. Now, to print the voucher, go to Vendor Payments and choose the voucher that you want to print. Click on Print icon. Choose your printer and click on Print. How to edit or delete a vendor payment. Go to Vendor Payments and choose the voucher that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the voucher, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.